friends, today you're going to make a leaf person. Go out in your neighborhood and find a leaf. Any kind of leaf will do. Mine is not real, it's a fabric one. You're going to put a face on it. We're going to send you some sticker eyes. And you're going to need a marker to make a face. I like a smiley face. You can put a nose if you like. And you're going to have a pipe cleaner to make arms. So you can put it through. You might need some help with the pipe cleaner because that one's a little bit tricky. Or you can just put it around and twist it to make your arms. Look at that. That looks really good. You can bend it any way you want. You're going to have your glue stick. Glue on your leaf base. You need to count to 10 to make sure it sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look how awesome that looks right now. Then you need to decorate the body. You can use markers, you can use crayons, you can cut paper, you can put stickers on. You decide. Maybe I'll start with some little buttons, just some strips of paper. Put a little glue. Stick it on. What do you think? It's popping up, so we need to hold it down for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. You decide how you want yours, but have fun making your leaf person. Bye, friends.